Hi guys, it's me. So today we'll be making some rice. Well, we're not just making rice, guys. We're making SPAM Musubi. Sorry, I had to think of the word. We're making SPAM Musubi, okay? And it's made with Spam. And that's why they call it SPAM Musubi. Seaweed. Because seaweed is delicious. And I love seaweed. Do you love seaweed? Sorry. Let me know in the comments if you love seaweed. I'll teach you guys how to make SPAM Musubi. I'm sorry, I can't take myself seriously. I never recorded a video like this. This is how I always do it in my head when I'm not recording. So I figured I'd actually record how I talk to myself, because I always pretend I'm recording a video, but I never actually do. When I started cooking it, I was explaining, I was going, hi guys, like I was recording a video, and then I was like, well, let me just record it because, well, I don't know why. But here we have this Maruchan rice vinegar. This is going to be my first time using rice vinegar in the rice. So I'm just using jasmine rice and not sticky rice because, well, every time I cook sticky rice, it doesn't end up being that sticky. I already did a little mukbang by myself. I didn't record it, but I was hungry. Vegetable chips. So I got veggie chips because they're delicious. Okay guys, so here's the SPAM Musubi. So what you're gonna need is seaweed jasmine rice. I added sesame seeds to the rice vinegar, sugar-free teriyaki sauce, and then Spam. Just fry the Spam in the sauce and then make the rice and put it all together. Okay guys, so I just finished making Hawaiian SPAM Musubi. I'm from Hawaii, so I made a baby onigiri. Well, I tried to, but that's what it looks like. We're going to eat this one first, and then we're going to eat some of these. I'm not going to eat the whole shebang, but I definitely, I can eat. And I've just been feeling really sad lately, okay? And that's really it. So for the rice, I used jasmine rice. And jasmine rice seemed to work better than sticky rice for me. I don't know why, but it did. I mean, it stuck. It looks great, and obviously it keeps its shape. I put a bit of sesame seeds inside of the rice. Make it taste a little better, everybody. I'm gonna grab some water. Hold on just a second. I'm gonna need water. Trust me. Okay, so as you can see, this SPAM Musubi is homemade, okay? It looks very delicious because I made it. So I used a pack of just, you know, the little seaweed wrap things. I've used 3 wraps for each musubi. They're teriyaki. That's what it looks like. Oh, that's a lot of rice. It's good. Guys, I have a bit of teriyaki left over. I could use it to dip it in if I really wanted to. I might do that. Let's see what that tastes like. I dipped it, okay? think I like it better without all the sauce on it. It's better with just a little bit of sauce on the meat. That's good. If you go to Hawaii, get some SPAM Musubi, guys. This stuff is in convenience stores for like $2–3. Very good. They have Chicken Katsu SPAM Musubi, which is fried chicken with sauce made like this. That is actually one of my favorite ones. But I'm not going to do all that. I'm lazy. So here we have that. Oh yes. Look at these big boys. SPAM Musubi. I'm going to be a big boy by the time we're done. I'm going to be a very big boy. Oh, I'm already feeling it. That's a lot of rice. I can't eat all that, but I can definitely try. I'm not gonna try my best, but I'll try a little bit. That's what it looks like. If you like sushi, you might like SPAM Musubi. You should try it. I use this sauce, guys. Sugar-free teriyaki marinade by this nice black man. Hello, She Hughes. He's award-winning pitmaster, everybody. I don't know what that means. My seaweed's coming off. I also used rice vinegar in the SPAM Musubi. I'm getting full. Not gonna lie, I ate before this. I had sushi and I had some nachos. So, you know, I'm having one of those days where I just really don't care. Huh. I know you know what I mean. I just don't care today. And that's okay. Because the other day I did care. And I went out to eat with my mom. And none of the fried foods looked good. So I got a salad. And my mom looked at my salad and she goes, "That looks beautiful and delicious. I wish I would have gotten a salad." I'm like, "Yeah, Mommy. Salad is delicious." It was delicious. I couldn't even eat the whole thing. So sorry. I gotta work on my table manners. You know, in Germany, it means you enjoyed your food if you burp after your meal. Oh yeah, that was delicious. And then you let the server know by letting out a big old belch. They'll never see it coming. I made a lot of SPAM Musubis. My plan wasn't to eat all of them. Even though I have in the past. And this is excessive. This is, if you look at the size, it's pretty big. That's about the size of my stomach. You know? The organ itself, not the outside. But yeah. SPAM Musubi. Oh. Is that your favorite song now? Are you looking at my lipstick? Don't do that. Don't look at that. You're supposed to look at the SPAM Musubi. Look at the SPAM Musubi. Oh, SPAM Musubi. Oh, SPAM Musubi. I wanna eat you, Mr. SPAM Musubi. And that's how we do it in Indiana. I'm not in Hawaii. If I lived in Hawaii in this giant house, well, let's just say I'd be pretty well off. Oh yeah. Delicious. And not nutritious. Except for the seaweed. Seaweed actually has vitamins and minerals. Let's look at the vitamins and minerals of seaweed. Vitamin C, 10% per serving. Per serving, everybody. Potassium, 2%. Iron, 2%. Calcium, 0%. And vitamin D, 0%. Oh, how I love you, seaweed. I'm petting Mr. Spam. Because, well, I'm not going to eat him because I'm full. But everybody, know that I'm full with good reason, because I just ate a whole thing of sushi. And I also ate nachos. Not the whole thing, but enough. But, oh, did I take a few bites out of this one? Maybe I should finish this one. It's not a mukbang if I don't eat like an obese person, is it? I don't know.